In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to generate your own QR codes directly from your spreadsheet with ease. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to have your links ready. If you're working with multiple URLs, organize them in your Google Sheet, each in a separate cell. This setup will make the process of generating QR codes much smoother and more efficient. By having all your URLs lined up and ready, you eliminate the risk of errors later on, which can be quite handy. Now, once your links are in place, you're ready for the main task, creating the QR code. For this, you'll need a simple script, which I'll guide you through momentarily. In your spreadsheet, locate the target cell where you want the QR code to appear. This could be a cell adjacent to your URL, or in a new column entirely if you prefer to keep things separate. It's a matter of personal preference and how you like to organize your data. Next, here comes the essential part. You'll need to copy a specific code into this target cell. Here's how it works. The code transforms the URL from your selected cell into a dynamic QR code. This is a handy feature provided by Google Sheets through its scripting capabilities, taking advantage of Google's own chart API. What you need to do is open a cell where you want the QR code to appear and paste the following formula. Now remember, you'll need to replace the placeholder text target cell within the code with the actual cell reference that contains your URL. This is crucial because it directly links the QR code to the exact URL you've input. Make sure to enter the correct cell address to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've placed the code and modified it correctly within the target cell, press Enter. And just like that, your QR code will appear. It might look like a random set of patterns inside the cell, but it's a fully functional QR code ready for use. At this point, you can test the QR code using any QR code scanner to ensure it links properly to the URL you entered. If everything is in order, the scanner will take you directly to the specified web page. It's truly that simple. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create QR codes in Google Sheets. This method is not only efficient, but incredibly useful for seamlessly integrating digital URLs into real-world applications. Whether you're sharing links on printed materials or in presentations, this method will surely come in handy. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to create a QR code in Google Sheets. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy coding and see you next time.